Hello everyone, good morning. Trust you have a wonderful night. Trust you are doing fine. Thanks for always coming back to my channel, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I'm grateful. Today I'm showing you different styles and designs of bedsheets that you can get. I am selling them. You can choose the one that you love. You can send it to your loved ones. I am selling them of different types, of different designs. You can message me. I will drop my mail at the description box. You can click on it and mail me on the designs that you want. And also I have duvet also. I sell duvet, so you can also place a order for that. So thank you so much. If you are new on my channel, I place designs, styles, designs about business that you can do, how to different designs that you can sew, the one you can wear to work, you can wear to office, you can wear to your Owambe party. So today I am showing you different styles of bedsheets. So if you have not subscribed, thank you for subscribing to my channel. And to my returning subscribers, I'm grateful. Thank you so much for the love, for the huge love that you are showing to me. I appreciate a lot. Thanks. Please do also watch from beginning to the end and place your order on the one that you want. Thank you.